Hey YouTube, it's Firehouse again, and another unboxing, and another Dewalt. As you can see, this is the most usable tool, and this is a Dewalt Oscillating multi-tool kit, and this is the latest one. This is the latest among all the oscillating tools from Dewalt, and I'll show you the difference later. By the way, before that, I was using this Milwaukee, and it's good. It's good. Actually, I'm using a Dewalt grout cleaner here. But like I said earlier, if you're a DIA, this is the most useful tool. You can use it anywhere. So many functions. And since I'm a Dewalt guy, if you see my last video, started to be a Dewalt guy, so I bought this one. Let's do the unboxing. Right. Let's see what's inside. I believe there's some accessories in it, and it has storage. There's your sanding pads. I believe these are 25 pieces. Can use this as sander, although I already have a palm sander, and this is the attachment for that. And what is this? What is this? Okay, I need to find out what is this. And some, I don't know. Okay, there's two blades here. And I already checked the website. What are these? First is okay, let's start with this first. This is for the wood, for cutting wood. This is your bit for that, and this is bimetal, so you can, it says wood and nails or studs that you hit on when you're cutting, so this is good for that. And I really don't know what are all of this stuff here. I'll find it out. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Okay, let's close this. And it comes with a battery, but I'm sure it's, oh, this is nice. Oh, just 2 amps only. At least low profile than this one. It's more comfortable using a hand tool with this one than this. Charger, and the most important part is this, my oscillating tool. It's brushless. Okay, to tell you the difference among the first two that came before this guy is first one is also an XR. All of them are brushless. All of them are XR, brushless motor, but the difference is first one, the second one differs from the other one is it's less than 2,000, I think, and then it's also color black. This one similar to all those dimensions, the weight are similar. The only difference is the 3-speed here. 1, 2, 3. This is still pressure sensitive. Pressure sensitive, so you can still control the power or speed of your oscillating tool, but you have a maximum of this. This is the lowest speed, and I forgot the numbers, but this is the second, and then this is maximum 20,000. So here you go. Let me try. Oh, I locked it. Oh, that's one thing I heard too. It's less vibration among those two compared to those two, and also the noise. Let's put my, oh shit, because for a DIY guy like me, you need this. I should want to use this, but the cool thing about this, it has quick release. For replacing attachment, just quick release this one, right? I guess that's it. Comparison. I like it. And since I'm a Dewalt guy, I'm gonna love this for sure. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Another unboxing. This one is a Dewalt oscillating tool. Multi-tool. Bye.